Now I think we know that alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to minus b over a. Alpha beta plus alpha gamma plus beta gamma is equal to c over a. Alpha beta gamma equal to minus d over a. Now here this is said to be the sum of the root. Alpha plus beta plus gamma is called the sum of the root of cubic equation. And here we have the sum of the product of the root of cubic equation. And here we have the product of the root of the cubic equation. Now let us today to introduce the new concept. Today let us introduce the new concept. Now the new concept here, let us expand a plus alpha plus beta plus gamma square. Let us expand this. Now if we expand this, we may arrange in these forms a plus beta to be a single object, then plus gamma square. But we know that a plus b square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now we'll follow this concept. I think we know from Form 2. Now if we use this concept here, we get alpha plus beta square plus 2 alpha plus beta times gamma, then plus gamma square. Now if we expand this, we get, by using this concept, we use alpha square plus 2 alpha beta plus beta square. Now if we expand this, we get 2 alpha times gamma plus 2 times beta times gamma, then plus gamma square. Now if we arrange in good forms, alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square, then plus 2 alpha beta plus 2 alpha gamma plus 2 beta gamma. Now here we get alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square. Now the common here is 2. We get 2 alpha beta plus alpha gamma plus beta gamma. Now if we make subject alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square, we get alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square is equal to, now this will transfer toward this sides. We get alpha plus beta plus gamma square minus 2 alpha beta plus alpha gamma plus beta gamma. Now therefore this is new concept. You have to know this concept. Now this is called the sum of squares of roots. The sum of squares of roots. But also now another new concept, but similar to this, if we have alpha beta square plus alpha gamma square plus beta gamma square is same as to say, now the position of gamma here is taken by the position of alpha here is taken by alpha beta. Now we have to replace alpha by alpha beta, then plus, now the position of beta is taken by alpha gamma plus the position of gamma is taken by beta gamma, then minus 2 times. Now here A is alpha times beta, and we get this one alpha times beta. Alpha times beta, we get this one alpha times beta. Now here, instead of times alpha beta, now we times alpha beta times alpha gamma. Now here we get alpha squared beta gamma plus, here we times alpha times gamma, we get alpha gamma. Here we times alpha beta and beta gamma to get alpha beta squared gamma. Then plus, here we times beta times gamma, here we times alpha gamma times beta gamma, we get alpha beta gamma square. Now here, if we write in good forms, we get alpha beta plus alpha gamma plus beta gamma. Now here is the square minus. Now the common here, the common here is alpha beta gamma. Within the bracket, we remained with alpha plus beta plus gamma. Now this is new concept. Now you have to keep it in your mind. Now this concept will help you to solve a lot of problems. Thank you. Goodbye.